supposed to be about, baby? Go free up your eyes, stop acting crazy. Remember the words you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use colored overlays on QCut Pro. So firstly, go to Instagram and look for this profile, which is CCP Colorings. They are amazing, by the way, and you should follow them. Look for the colors that you like, the overlay that you like, and you're going to screenshot it once you don't see this tutu thing. You're also going to want to crop it because you don't want no white inside of your coloring overlay. Like, no, that's just wrong. You're going to save it, and you're also going to have to also keep this coloring, I don't call that, but like the transparency and the saturation, all those stuff. I can't remember what you call them, but like, yeah, the editing part. Anyway, you're going to add in the coloring and you're going to crop it to the part. No, crop it, sorry. You're going to zoom in until it's covering the whole image. Now you're going to go back to the Instagram and you're going to match everything you say. Transparency is 70, so I'm going to go to this star here and make the transparency 0.70. Now you're going to go to the colors here and you're going to put the saturation to 100, the exposure to 10. Don't do what I'm doing, you have to copy the specific colors for the overlay you're using. Then for the green, you're going to use negative 30. And green, okay. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.